Hi there. So if you're trying to sell an apparel product and you need some great looking photo for the product, then this video is for you, because later I'm going to show you one versatile prompt that you can use on Gemini's Nano Banana to generate a unique looking lifestyle product photography for that item. And what's unique about this prompt is that it will automatically decide the background, the pose, the lighting, etc. based on the type of the product. So it is actually quite versatile. It can be used on pretty much any type of apparel product. So let me show you how you can use this AI prompt. But first, I want to show you that this is the character that I'm going to use for the demonstration, and for the product I will use this royal blue trench coat. Now after you have prepared the product photos and the character, and by the way the character is optional, you can also just upload a picture of the product without utilizing any character, because AI can actually still create a character based on the product that you created. But anyway, in this case I'm going to use a specified character for the photo. Now let me just navigate to gemini.google.com, and I guess I'm going to just upload the photos of the character and the product. So let's start with the character, and after that the product. Now here you can use any of these two prompts. There is one prompt for the photo that if you don't have any character in mind, if you don't provide any photo of the character, then you can use this prompt. But in this case, since I just provided a photo of the character, then I'm going to use the other prompt with a specified model. Let me just copy this. By the way, there is a video prompt, but that's for later. For now, let's focus on creating the lifestyle product photography first. Now I'm going to paste that to Gemini, and you can click Tools and then click Create Images. Now you can continue, you can click this button, but I want to control the aspect ratio. I want to get a horizontal photo out of these two pictures. But unfortunately right now, when I'm recording this video, there is no native way to control the aspect ratio on Gemini's Nano Banana. So what I'm going to do is basically, I'm going to use a completely blank image that has no content whatsoever, but I have the reference for the aspect ratio, which later can be used to influence the final picture. This is actually a workaround that I have mentioned many times on my previous videos, and if you are interested in how you can control the aspect ratio using Gemini's Nano Banana, then you can check that video. You can search that on my channel. But anyway, I'm going to upload the last piece of the picture, which is just empty picture, and then I'm going to modify the prompt a little bit. Hey, please use the last picture for the aspect ratio reference. There you go. Now, after everything has been set, you can send the message and just wait for the Gemini's Nano Banana model to generate the lifestyle product photography based on the item that you just provided. So as you can see, this empty picture is just nothing. There's nothing there, but the aspect ratio will influence the final picture later. So that's just one way to control that, at least at the moment, because I believe in the future there's going to be a native way to control the aspect ratio on Gemini. But right now this is the only thing that we can do. Okay, let me just go back, and we got this picture. I think it looks really amazing. Now I'm going to download this because I actually want to convert this into a video, and that's why earlier you saw that there is a prompt for creating a video. But even if you don't want to create video, this is actually good enough, and I think you can use it on your product page. Now, of course, I'm going to use Gemini again to generate video, because this tool seems to have basically everything you need. Okay, let me just click Tools, click Create Video with Vio, and then I'm going to click this and this picture. And lastly, I'm going to copy, sorry about that, I'm going to copy this prompt. And by the way, I forgot to mention that all prompts will be available in the video description, so you don't have to manually type them on the text area. Okay, let me just send a message, and maybe I'll just skip about 2 minutes and I will show you the result. Okay, so we got this video. Let me play this video for you. Yep, I think that's good enough. So that's basically all the steps that you can perform to generate a unique looking product photography based on the apparel product that you are trying to sell. So again, all the prompts are available in the video description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.